Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do local pickup on eBay. If you want to sell on eBay without dealing with shipping costs, delays, or packaging, local pickup is one of the best options you can use. It allows buyers to purchase your item online and then meet you in person to collect it simple, fast, and often safer for bulky or expensive items. But if you don't set it up correctly in your listing, buyers won't even see it as an option. Start by opening eBay and logging into your account. Click on My eBay. This takes you to your account dashboard. Inside My eBay, click on Selling. This opens your seller dashboard where you manage all your listings. Go to Drafts. You can also select an active listing. Click on the item you want to edit. Scroll down until you find the Shipping section. This is where you define how the item will be delivered. Click on the Shipping Method dropdown. You'll see different delivery options. From the dropdown, select Local Pickup Only. Clarification: this removes shipping options. Buyers must physically come to pick up the item and is ideal for large, fragile, or high-value items. Once selected, review your listing and click List Item. Your listing will now show local pickup as the only option. Clarification: eBay may provide a QR code or confirmation for pickup. Use it to mark the item as delivered. Using eBay with local pickup can save you time, money, and effort if done correctly. To summarize, enabling local pickup on eBay involves going to My eBay, opening your listing, navigating to the Shipping section, selecting Local Pickup Only, and saving your listing. This allows buyers to collect the item in person instead of having it shipped. And that's how to set up local pickup on eBay. It's one of the simplest ways to sell: no packaging, no shipping labels, no waiting. But it also requires clear communication and a bit of planning to make sure the handoff goes smoothly. Done right, it can be one of the most efficient ways to complete a sale, especially for larger items. As you continue selling, knowing when to use shipping and when to use local pickup will give you a real advantage. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.